What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. We're here at Worldwide RV taking a look at the 2024 Jayfeather 22BH. This is a travel trailer by Jayco that can sleep up to 6 people and is only 24-foot long bumper to hitch. So come on, let's take a look. Starting on the outside, you have the awesome front pass-through storage, American-made Goodyear tires that do come with a 5-year prorated warranty, and then this amazing outside kitchen, which is made out of full metal construction, so you never have to worry about there being any water damage in there. And you even get a little Jayco bottle opener. As you step inside the Jayfeather 22BH, the first thing that you're going to notice is that this is actually a closed off bedroom. This is a lot better if you're looking for something with more privacy from the kids and you just want a separate area to sleep. That's going to give you that. As well, you're going to have this solid sized kitchen, pop top power tower. You have 2 bucket sink right here and this little table extension. And then right here is your Insignia Smart TV, as well as an IRV technology stereo. So you can bump the tunes both inside and outside, where there's actually waterproof speakers. Right here is your 4-person dinette that does convert into more sleeping area, more storage up above, and then an awesome kitchen setup where you have all Furrion appliances like that 3-burner stovetop oven, microwave, and even this Dometic 12-volt refrigerator. Now let's take a closer look at the bedroom. This is going to be a queen size bed, which does cave on that front wall, so it gives you more space and headroom. You have storage both on the sides and above, where you also have reading lights up there individually controlled. And then right on the passenger side of the trailer is where you're going to mount your TV in here, so you have hookups and things of that nature. In the rear is where your bathroom is going to be. So you're going to have a standard RV toilet, nice shower with that curved shower rod to give you more elbow room in there, and then a medicine cabinet that does act as storage, and a sink and underneath storage as well. And then moving along from there is your bunks. As you can see, they're double wide, so these are rated for 600 pounds each. And this one actually folds up to give you more storage room. And there's also a back door back there. Here, let me just show you. So as you can see, the lower bunk is now folded up and you can see straight out that rear door. This is a great spot for things like mountain bikes, coolers, anything like that you just need more storage for while you're on the road. This is how you're going to do that. And I just wanted to give you guys a view of the back door from the outside. So as you can see, it's just a miniature door back here. You can open it up, see your bunks and everything like that. This is plenty of storage, and I think as far as small travel trailers go, this is one of the best designs for maximizing storage abilities. Now, although this unit does MSRP for over $56,000, here at Worldwide RV, we are currently running our 60th anniversary sale. So right now you can get this awesome 22BH for only $33,741. So come on into Worldwide RV today and let us take care of you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.